My kids said this was better than trick-or-treating. No screens, no chaos, just pure magical play. My kids love Halloween and yours will too. My kids spend hours creating potions, casting spells, and using their imagination. And everything's included. Ingredients, spell cards, even party invites. It's safe, non-toxic, and eco-friendly, so I can actually relax too. This is the Halloween tradition I wish we started sooner. Use the promo code MAGIC and get a 10% off this Halloween. Shop the Abracadabra Kit on Little Hands and Nature today.